Hi, I'm Imran from Imran Learning Center. Today in this video we are going to learn some common adjective we often use in our daily conversation. How to pronounce this word correctly, how to utter this word, how to enunciate this word. Today we will learn this. So without any further delay, let's start our discussion. I have written here some words. These all are adjective. At first we have amiable. Amiable. Correct pronunciation of this word is amiable. Do you have an amiable friend? Yes, I have amiable friend. Nabil is my amiable friend. And then we have ancient. 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 Correct pronunciation of this word is ancient. Ancient people didn't know how to cook fish and meat. Ancient people didn't know how to cook fish and meat. They would eat fish and meat without cooking. Ancient people. So this one is ancient. And then we have artificial. Artificial. Artificial, not artificial. Correct pronunciation of this word is artificial. This whiteboard is artificial board. This is artificial board. Artificial. And then we have ashamed. 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 We should be ashamed because of our fault. We should be ashamed because of our fault. Ashamed. And then we have baseless. 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 We shouldn't believe baseless information. We shouldn't believe baseless information. Then we have basic. Basic. We have to know basic grammar to learn English. We have to know basic grammar to speak fluently. We have to know basic grammar for speaking. And then we have calm. Calm. We don't have to pronounce this L, just we have to say calm. Here L is silent letter. So calm. Calm. Be calm. Don't be angry. Be calm. Don't be angry. And then we have capable. 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 Are you capable to write email? Are you capable? Are they capable? Yes, I am capable to write email. I am capable. Are you capable to write email? If you are capable to write email, then you will get good position in workplace. So correct pronunciation of this word is capable. Capable. And then we have chaotic. 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 I don't like chaotic environment. I don't like chaotic environment. I don't like chaotic situation. I don't like chaotic situation. Chaotic. And then we have conscious. 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 Conscious people of our country. Conscious people of our country are wearing mask to protect themselves, to save themselves from coronavirus, from COVID-19. Conscious. Conscious. And then we have contagious. 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 Doctors say coronavirus is contagious virus. Doctors say coronavirus is contagious virus. Contagious. Correct pronunciation of this word is contagious. Contagious. And then we have controversial. 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 We shouldn't take controversial decision. We shouldn't take controversial decision. We shouldn't take controversial decision. So this is controversial. 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 And then we have crazy. 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 You have to be crazy person to learn English. You have to be crazy person to learn English. For learning English, you have to be crazy person. For learning English, for mastering English language, you have to be crazy person. So crazy. Crazy. Then we have crucial. 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 Grammar is crucial for speaking. Grammar is crucial for speaking. Crucial. Grammar is crucial for speaking. Then we have efficient. 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 You have to be efficient person to get job, to get good job, to get good job. You have to be efficient person. You have to be efficient person. Efficient. Then we have fake. Fake. Nobody believes fake information, fake news. Nobody believes fake information, fake news. Fake, not fake, fake. Correct pronunciation of this word is fake. Then we have favorable. 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 This is favorable time for you to learn English. This is favorable time for you to learn English. Favorable. And then we have favorite. 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 Who is favorite person in your life? Who is favorite person in your life? Favorite. And then we have gorgeous. 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 Do you like gorgeous dress? Do you like gorgeous dress? Yes, I like. Do you love gorgeous dress? Yes, I love. Not gorgeous. Correct pronunciation of this word is gorgeous. 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 And then we have gracious. 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 We should try to be gracious person. We should try to be gracious person. We should try to be gracious person. Gracious. And then we have hasty. 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 Sometimes we have to take hasty action to control the situation. Sometimes we have to take hasty action to control the situation. Hasty. Then we have hateful. Hateful. We should avoid hateful activities. We should avoid hateful activities. Hateful. Hateful. Then we have lazy. 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 Not lazy. Lazy. Nobody loves lazy person. Nobody loves lazy person. Nobody loves lazy person. Everyone hates lazy person. Everyone hates lazy person. And then we have natural. 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 I like natural environment. Do you like natural food? Do you like natural environment? Yes, I like natural environment. I like natural food. I like natural environment. I like natural food. And then we have occasional. Occasional. Correct pronunciation is occasional. 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 Sometimes I feel occasional headache. Sometimes I feel occasional headache. Occasional headache. Occasional. Occasional. And then we have precious. 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 We shouldn't waste our precious time. We shouldn't waste our precious time. We shouldn't waste our precious time. Precious. Then we have religious. 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 We should read more and more religious book. We should read, we should recite more and more religious book. Religious book. Religious. And then we have residential. 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 Not resi. Residential. 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 Do you like residential area to live? Yes, I like residential area to live. And then we have righteous. 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 People love righteous person. People love, people believe, people respect righteous person. Righteous person. So correct pronunciation of this word is righteous. Righteous. People respect righteous person. Then we have saline. Saline. Not saline. Saline. Correct pronunciation is saline. 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 Sometimes our body needs saline water. Sometimes our body needs saline water. Saline water. Then we have spacious. spacious, spacious. I like spacious room. I love spacious room. I prefer spacious room. Do you prefer spacious room? Yes, I prefer spacious room. I prefer spacious room. Sure, sure. Correct pronunciation is sure. Sure. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Be sure before doing something. Be sure before sending message. Be sure before sending information. Are they sure? Yes, they are sure about this. Be sure before sending information. And then we have unhealthy, 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 unhealthy. Oily food is unhealthy food. Oily food is unhealthy food. Do you like unhealthy food? No, I don't like unhealthy food. I don't like unhealthy food. We should avoid unhealthy food. We should avoid unhealthy food. So this one is unhealthy, unhealthy. And then we have unofficial, 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 not official. Correct pronunciation is unofficial, unofficial. Do you believe unofficial information? Do you believe unofficial information? I don't believe unofficial information. We should not believe unofficial information. Do you believe unofficial statement? We shouldn't believe unofficial statement. Unofficial statement, unofficial. And then we have unsafe, unsafe, unsafe. Pond water is unsafe for drinking. Pond water is unsafe for drinking. Unsafe, unsafe. And then we have vacant, vacant, vacant. Because of coronavirus, you have to operate your bus keeping vacant seat. Keeping vacant seat, you have to operate your bus. Because of coronavirus, because of COVID-19, you have to operate your bus keeping vacant seat. You have to operate your bus keeping vacant seat. Then we have interesting, 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 interesting. Correct pronunciation is interesting. Are you interested? Interesting, interesting. I think today's lesson is an interesting lesson. Today's lesson is an interesting lesson. Interesting, interesting. And then we have average, average. What is your average income per day? What is your average income? Average, not average. Correct pronunciation is average, average. What is your average income per day? Average. So I hope you understood the lesson properly. Keep practicing and try to pronounce this word correctly. If you wanna speak fluently, if you wanna understand native speaker properly, then you have to know how to pronounce this word, because those are native speakers, they pronounce perfectly. So if you don't know how to pronounce this word correctly and perfectly and precisely, then you will not understand their speech. So to understand native speaker, to understand news, English speech, we have to know how to pronounce this word perfectly. We often use this word. So try your best to pronounce this word correctly. That's all for today. See you again taking another video. Till then, stay locked, stay well. Bye.